What if your home could stay perfectly clean without you even thinking about it? Meet the DREAME X50 Ultra, a next-generation robot vacuum and mop designed for true automation. This isn't just a cleaning gadget. It's a complete smart cleaning system built to take over one of the most time-consuming chores in your daily life. Let's start with performance. With powerful 20,000 pascal suction, the X50 Ultra easily handles dust, debris, and pet hair across all surfaces. Hard floors, carpets, or mixed areas, it adapts instantly and cleans efficiently. But power alone isn't enough. What really sets this robot apart is its intelligence. Thanks to 360-degree navigation and advanced obstacle avoidance, it maps your home precisely and moves smoothly around furniture, cables, and everyday objects. No random movements, just smart, efficient cleaning. And when it comes to details, it doesn't miss a thing. With corner-to-edge deep cleaning, it reaches areas where most robots struggle, leaving no dust behind. Plus, the detangling brush design prevents hair from wrapping around the brush. That means less maintenance and more consistent performance. Now, let's talk about convenience, because that's where the X50 Ultra really shines. The all-in-one base station doesn't just charge the robot. It also automatically empties the dustbin, cleans the mop, and keeps everything ready for the next session. You get weeks of hands-free cleaning without lifting a finger. And controlling it couldn't be easier. Through the Smart app, you can start cleaning, schedule sessions, set zones, or customize settings in seconds. You can even control it remotely, whether you're at home or away. The result? A consistently clean home, more free time, and zero effort. If you're looking for a robot that combines power, intelligence, and true automation, the DREAME X50 Ultra is one of the best choices available right now. Check the link in the description to learn more and upgrade your cleaning experience.